Hey, welcome back, guys. How are you all doing? My name is Sahil Singh, and what happened to the markets? So, on my previous video, which I have uploaded,
and I think
listen to this one carefully.
tired. Right. So it's 1 hour and 4 minutes basically. So this was basically a drill. It's not
I actually managed to hit down these two liquidity areas, and I was right there on the trade, and I was planning. You can see that I have just extended my TP towards this and the OG.
meant for trading, it's meant to improve my price action reading. To know which are the more which are the highest probability trade and which are the less probability trade. That is what I want to learn in this, or I have to learn in this whole session. That's what I have learned, right? So basically I'll meet you in the next video basically tomorrow. Till then, take care and yeah, meet you soon guys. Till then, let's see how do the price react and reaches those NDOG levels.
Bang! Right, so I was planning to know what and how will the price react on those levels, right? So here is it. Here is the reaction of that level. And I just go to that particular section. Mm, yeah. I don't know, like, how does the price immediately react from that level? For the reaction. I mean, like, how is it? Like, see, the price has shown, like, it's kind of a jumping ball, you can say. It bumped here, taken this liquidity area here, and then it just bumped up. You can see the volume imbalance. It states everything. Taking those liquidity areas and DOG, and bang, it's left off. In this particular PC, basically, with the volume imbalance here and this particular CV, the price is trying to cross the consequent encroachment, but it's failing. And this particular quadrant area, it actually rejected from it, right? It was trying to actually move up, but got rejected heavily from it. Move downwards, no. Whenever the price has a very straight momentum, then after that it actually tries to, you know, play to the consequent encroachment area, which is right over here. It was actually trying to spend time, but bang, just crossed that consequent encroachment of this whole swing, and it then moved downwards towards all these tiny quadrant areas, right? So that's how the price react of that particular NDOG, and then it's actually meandering in the 5 minute. I guess it's a 5 minute imbalance which I have drawn, probably this one. Yeah, it actually reacted from those levels here, moved up, tried to fill in these particular imbalance, but moved down, fell short. I want to know, like, how does the price react from this particular level? Where is it? This particular area. I want to know. If I draw a particular quadrant here and changed its color to maybe pink something, it actually isn't able to cross the upper quadrant. It did in the first couple of steps, but it actually failed. I want to see how the price react from it on the lower time frame areas, basically in the 1 minute time frame. Oh, okay, so I'm sorry for that. This is the BC. I will draw that using a rectangle tool, just because I want to show you all. This one is it, right? And if I just draw the quadrants of, right, it fell short from that level, but I will never trust it. Never, never. This one, I will not trust this particular rejection from here. What I would trust is this one. This monster candle right over there. Cause the consequent encroachment, volume imbalance. That could be the immediate sell here. Try to hunt down this particular liquidity area, or even go and just meander in the consequent encroachment. Stop loss to the break even, and I would have just hunt for this particular liquidity over here. And gone to the upper quadrant. What was that? This was actually a CB of 1 minute, basically. A reaction from that CB. Sorry for that. Reaction from that CP, a buy trade towards the upper quadrant, rejected from that level. Boom. Can see how the price is reacting up. What was that? This was actually volume imbalance, basically. Reacted. No, saw the reaction. That is to the tick reaction from that level upwards. Now it's meander. Now it was actually meandering in that quadrant. Crossed it, found some reaction from it, then sell downwards. Reached here, yeah, rejected from the upper quadrant of this particular city, this whole city with the volume imbalance, basically. This one rejected from the lower quadrant, found support in the lower quadrant in this particular PD array. Supported from it, moved upwards, used the upper quadrant, move downwards, move upwards basically, and here cross the consequent encroachment, found support on that area, moved upwards. So it's all jagged price action. It's not a clear momentum basically. Um, but one thing is it now the price crossed the um, it didn't actually cross the short term high. It actually made a very small short term high, moved up from here, but right over here it's actually trying to cross the slope, which it shouldn't be doing. Moved upwards, crossed this particular area with the CB. That's a very negative price action. Downwards, move upwards, fill this particular now imbalance plus use the upper quadrant of that bidder raise to send the price downwards. And that is it. Right, and see the reaction of these levels. Other price actually reacting off from the NDOGs and NWOGs. Again, that's the immediate reaction from the NDOG again, right over here. So that's how the price action actually works out in the real market. Let's see what we can do right now. The chart looks very clean. I want to see how it reacts from these levels. Plus, I want to see the bias for the 15-minute time frame. Alright. I want to see how it reacts from the consequent encroachment. There we go. That's a good one. I want to see how it reacts and move upwards towards this area. Stop loss still to the consequent encroachment. I want to see it not react from this particular level. Basically, I use it as a supporting medium to move upwards. should actually show speed here. Actually, speed. That's what needed. Spending little more time here. Yeah, there you go. Stop loss to the break even. And just watch the price action now. And it has launched basically. You don't have any PD arrays. So what do you do, guys? You don't have any PD arrays right now. So what do you do? So now what we are trying to do is that we are trying to draw the event horizons, right? So if you have two NDOGs there, and if you don't have any PD array in between, just take your gradient, right? Make sure it's the right, thick basically, and just draw the gradients here. What's the quadrant of this one? It's actually this one, so I'll just copy that and paste it here. And for this one, 65.55. There you go. Yep. I want to see how it reacts and reaches this particular area. That could tell us a lot about the price action basically. Just watch the price action right now. Let's see how it reaches and reacts in the quadrant area of this PC. I'm spending a little much time here. Definitely that's not a good thing. It should actually cross this consequent encroachment of this particular CB. It's actually rejecting from there. Mhm. 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 Yeah, let's see how it reacts from this particular, but right now it's not showing anything. Lot of time, lot of time. Mm. Let's see how it reacts from that CV area. That's a very volatile period in the market, I guess. For the formation of bodies in the upper quadrant, I'm feeling sleepy basically. I want to see how it reacts from that area. If it loses the ground, it's the end. If it moved up, that's a good thing. The poem. I made a poem right now. Yeah. It's actually having a lot of difficulty in crossing that area of price action basically. Mhm. Okay. Now I want to see how it reacts from that area. Second on all those liquidities. The consequent encroachment is a good area. Yep, I want to see how it reacts from that consequent encroachment level. There you go. Mhm. What's this? That consequent encroachment level reaction is what I am actually waiting for. I'm coming in a minute basically. Hold on for a minute. Right, I'm back and bingo! How's it? So what do you think? Is that a good trick or not? Let's see how the price reaches to. Oh, sorry. Let's see how the price reacts and reaches to this particular event horizon. Until then, guys, take care and see ya. I am feeling very tired right now. The other NDOG is right over here. We actually tried and managed to pass down to the lower quadrant. And I see it how it actually gives support and try to move towards the consequent encroachment. And the reaction from that consequent encroachment is very, very, very important, right? I'm very I'm really very sorry that I'm not here till the consequent encroachment, or maybe I can be here if the price shows me some signature that it wants to go. No. This is basically what I don't want. That the price is showing a signature that it wants to move down to that area right now, but seeing the reaction from the lower area, don't think that it's going to be that easy for the price. Probably it's going to meander right now, right? And guys, I'm feeling very, very sleepy right now, right? I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, guys, take care and see ya.